So if you want to go ahead and blur out faces in picture, you can utilize ILoveIMG.com for that. So you can simply go to ILoveIMG.com and then you can go around over here and click on blur face and select images right here. Once you do that, you can simply go ahead and select out an image right here and click on open. And then now what happens is that you can go ahead and then blur out the image right here. So you can see that I can go ahead and automatically detect. So if there's any faces, you can see it automatically detects them and adds in a blur image to it. So you can go ahead and increase the size of it right here just like this. So you can go around over here and then go for low detection right here. So you can see that it quickly detects. But if you want a detailed detection, you can go for high detection right here as well. So you can even go ahead and blur out, let's say, for example, posters right here just like this. Or you can go for customized detection right here and select out certain, let's say, for example, add in a particular portrait as you want as well and blur that particular portrait out as well. In my case, I added in and you can see that it detected out. So if there's any portrait of a picture, you can go ahead and do that or exclude out that face as well so that only that face is not selected and others are blurred out. So you can go around over here and add the blur area yourself as well and click and drag and add it out right here just like this. Add another blur area right here and click and drag to add in a blur area right here. Click and drag to go ahead and then add this out. You can go ahead and select and then delete it out as you want as well. And when you're done, you can simply go ahead and click on blur face right here and you can go ahead and download up the file right here. And as you go ahead and open it up, this is what you have as you can see. And that is basically how you can go ahead and blur out the face inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.